industry-specific technology for processing citrus and tropical fruits. Since 1946, we have been designing and building whole turnkey plants with the same unchanging mission, to provide you with excellent dependability and performance to assure the production of juices and essential oils of the highest caliber. Fratelli Indelicato manufactures a papaya juice extraction facility. VS 300 washing tank, elevator, polyfruit juice extractor, and 2 EPV juice finishers are included. Maximum working capacity is 3T/H. The same plant may process different kinds of exotic fruits, pineapples, passion fruits, guavas, melons, or citrus fruits by using additional kits for the polyfruit juice extractor. Equipment for processing food.